Hi, this is Taposh Roy, Head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in the College of Team Future. We are having two colleges, one at Sonarpur, Future Institute of Engineering and Management, and the other college is at Goria, Future Institute of Technology. In both the colleges, we are having computer science and engineering stream. Now, the industry is going towards new age technology like this data science, big data, and artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, IoT, cyber security, and all these things. So, for that purpose, apart from the standard computer science and engineering stream in both the colleges, we are this year in this 2020 batch, the starting batch 2020, we are launching 3 new courses. All these courses are approved by AICTE and affiliated to Makawood, our affiliating university. Now in Sonarpur campus, we are launching a new stream called Computer Science and Engineering with specialization in data science. And in Goria campus, Future Institute of Technology, there, apart from the normal computer science and engineering, we are also launching 2 additional new courses. One is computer science and engineering with specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning, and another course is computer science and engineering with specialization in IoT, cyber security with blockchain technologies. Now, the entire industry is going towards this. This is the future, and this data science like this, analytics, data visualization, data modeling, all these will be taught under the course Computer Science and Engineering Data Science. And under the AI and ML, means Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Computer Science and Engineering course, that is there in the Future Institute of Technology, Goria, there basically the students will learn how the computers, the machines are being made intelligent artificially, and they learn the algorithm so that they start behaving like a human being, and so that the human beings can remove the mundane jobs onto the systems and carry on some more productive areas. In the industry is going towards this. And another course, that is the computer science and engineering with specialization in IoT, cyber security with blockchain. There the students will get an exposure like this. See, in today's world there are smart devices. They are all interconnected. There are different operators for these smart devices, and today you know that the main thing is data. So they are generating huge amount of data, huge quantity of data. Now this data, how they will be integrated with these different smart devices, how the security, the cyber security, which is very pertinent today, how the hardware, software, network, the data, information can be secured from in the cyber world. And this blockchain is addressing the cryptography and the how we can use the encoding decoding system so that the entire system is secured. So these are the 3 areas. I am just giving you some ideas. So 3 areas, apart from normal computer science and BTech in computer science and engineering, in both the colleges, we are launching these 3 new courses: BTech in computer science and engineering data science, computer science and engineering artificial intelligence and machine learning, and computer science and engineering IoT, cyber security with blockchain technologies. All these courses are having intake of 60. I hope once this admission process starts, the students will be definitely get excited to grab this opportunity, because this is the first time, the first batch who will be going through this specialization type of courses. Okay, so see you then. Thank you.